Yeah, then like literally
You're missing on my shot.
I'm sorry, I thought we were having, I'm sorry.
No, wait, tell me.
No.
Just tell me.
I'm
You don't have to show
holiday
me.
plan. Flash of kind.
Oh my god.
Alright, but look. You're not looking.
Just let me get
You're
this
gonna have to pause this.
one singular shot. All I have to do is rip this open.
Rip it open. We're all waiting.
Okay, that's it. That's all I needed. Good morning everyone, just starting this vlog outside because Connor is on a call and our upstairs neighbor is vacuuming, and you guys know how loud that is now. You guys were all shook over how loud that was when it happened during my last vlog or a couple vlogs ago. And yes, you are correct, it is so loud. It's so loud. Our walls and floors and ceilings really are just paper thin. Not ideal, but honestly, it somehow does not bother Connor and I don't know if we've just like talked ourselves into the fact that it's not that bad or, you know, what the deal is, but I'm just rolling with it. I'm not questioning it. It's fine. I'm just happy that I'm not like miserable about it. But anyway, I don't have much to say right now anyway. Literally still in my pajamas because I'm gonna hop in the shower and wash my hair. But first I want to knock out editing a vlog. So I'm gonna get that over with. And then later this afternoon, Connor and I are getting vaccine shot numero dos. So I'm definitely gonna take you guys along in the journey of how that is and how it affects us. We're getting Pfizer, so we're hoping for little to no side effects, but we'll see what happens. Guys, I'm having such a psychotic day here today. It is 1:30. I don't even think I'm even gonna be able to eat lunch today. I'm probably just gonna have a quantum bar and have a nice early dinner or something. I'm definitely gonna have to work late. Oh god, but I really need to hop in the shower because I need to be able to film content, and I forgot that I had 2 calls today. It was just, my day is just screwed up, so I'm about to hop in the shower so that at least my hair is washed and I can just come back after we get our second vaccine dose and throw some makeup on and get some content done that needs to be taken care of. Oh my god. Okay, managed to get showered, managed to do my hair routine, get out of the house only like 5 or 7 minutes late. So not too bad. And Connor and I are just off to get our second dose now. Very exciting. Grabbed a quantum bar because, as I said, probably will not be having lunch today.
Right.
One of those days. But a nice early dinner will be fine, and
We'll pass out early.
alright, second shot complete!
You.
I can't believe that we're like 2 weeks away from being fully activated, vaccinated.
Oh, I'm so fired up.
Oh, me too. I cannot even tell you
Oh.
how excited I am about this.
A little nervous about tomorrow.
Yeah, me too. That's why I'm sort of filming this today, because I didn't really have much going on today, but I sort of thought it would be interesting to share my experience with the second dose. In case you missed, when we got our first dose, we got the Pfizer vaccine. And I know like side effects are a lot less common with the Pfizer vaccine, so we're gonna see how that goes, but we're sort of expecting to at least feel like a little like achy or chills, if not like a little bit of a low-grade fever or something like that too. But I will keep you guys in the loop with what goes down. Back home again, and I put on my cute little health and wellness sweatshirt. So sweet. I hauled this a couple vlogs ago from one of my subscribers. This is like her merch, and she sent it to me, which I love so much. But I guess I was just gonna say hi, we're home, and let you know that I'm actually gonna be hanging with Victoria tonight, which is gonna be really fun. She's gonna come pick me up in a little bit, which means I really need to just continue on this work train. Ow, holding the vlog camera with this arm hurts. It's already pretty sore over here. Definitely got sore a lot faster than with the first one, so here we go. I really need to finish editing a video that needs to go up tomorrow, so I need to just sit down and focus on that. I honestly did not even open my to-do list today, so I definitely did not get to everything that I needed to, which is so stressful, but it's fine. We're gonna make it happen. It needs to, right? There's no other option, so we're gonna do it. Also, you guys, I'm realizing, I don't know if I said happy birthday if today's your birthday. So, happy birthday if today's your birthday. Did I forget again to say happy birthday if today's your birthday? I really might have. What is the matter with me? A week off from vlogging, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, I'm about to head out to go over to Victoria's, but I am starting to get a little bit of a headache. Honestly, it's probably from the fact that I have not eaten yet today, other than just a quick little quantum bar, so I'm sure that that's what it's from, but also, who knows, could be, you know, dose number 2 symptoms starting to set in, but I'm just going to take a little something for maybe CBD or something, and I'm sure it'll be fine, because other than that, I'm still feeling totally fine. But managed to get all of my work done. It's 7 p.m. now, and we're gonna head out and try to have a more chill, fun rest of our night. I also have been meaning to fix up our foaming soap here. This is from Blue Land, which is a really cool company. It just helps try to reduce waste that comes with cleaning products. And basically the way it works is you just like get their little containers and then these little drops. Let me maybe just give this a rinse. I couldn't find like our tablets for a while, but I finally found some, so you just like fill it up to the line. And then we have this one here. I think this is from like a Christmas package I got from them, so it's peppermint, but who cares? And take the tablet and drop it in. It really fits. There we go. And just let it dissolve. Alright, made it to Vic's, and we ordered Italian food for dinner, and
just a little bit.
There were, well, I was gonna say there were mistakes made, but is it? No. Okay, so we got 2 different kinds of pasta. We got an arrabbiata and a fettuccine. We're gonna share both of those. And then we ordered a dozen garlic knots, not knowing that it would come with a dozen garlic knots. So we have 2 dozen garlic knots, wine,
2 girls,
amazing company, and the OC. So honestly, I'm not complaining. This is gonna be an excellent evening. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day, and honestly, I thought that this would be a much more entertaining vlog because I thought that I would be able to share my symptoms, but turns out that I'm not having any bad symptoms. I have a small headache sort of right here in the front of my face. Connor has a little bit of a small headache too, but both of us are really feeling okay. A little tired, but not even like that tired. I mean, we'll see what happens. I'm definitely not celebrating yet. I don't think that I will until tomorrow, but I think if I can make it through the rest of the day and like go to sleep all right tonight, then I think I might be in the clear. So we sort of half expected this because with the Pfizer vaccine, people are getting a lot less symptoms after their second shot. So I'm just happy that we got Pfizer and happy that we are feeling okay so far. A few times in the night I woke up and I was really cold, but like who knows, that could be anything, you know, like that doesn't necessarily mean that. And my arm does hurt pretty badly. Like it is very tender over here where I got the shot, but that's not even like whole arm stiffness. It's just like right where I got that. Oh, ow, that really does hurt. Trying to just keep it moving. But it seems like, knock on wood, we may get away with this. So that actually works out because Connor and I really do not want to lose another work day, so we're just going to start powering through here today and making it happen. Connor, COVID vaccine.
Ooh,
check in.
Yeah. Feeling good.
Still feeling good?
You know what? With the adrenaline of getting the vaccine, I think I honestly feel better than I did.
I honestly feel invincible. Like I could do anything.
Exactly. I was like a little sore, but even that's going away for me quite a bit.
Yeah, mine is not like actively sore anymore. It's just like when I move it.
Yeah, it feels like dead.
And really only when I move it in certain ways.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Also, this cat is just doing what she wants today.
Yeah, she is in a mood.
She's in such a mood. It's so crazy. All right, made a salad for lunch, so I forgot to show you before I started eating it, but I threw some kimchi in there, which has been really yummy. It just makes it a little spicy, a little probiotic in there, a little healthier. So I'm loving that, and Connor and I are just watching All or Nothing. We're still making our way through this Cardinals season here. Cardinals are just beating the Vikings currently, so
Suck it, Vikings.
Suck it, Vikings. Connor and I are having a little evening snack before we make dinner. We're having one of these pretzel buns from the farmer's market, which are so good, and we just like to slice them up and then dip them into this. What kind of hummus is this again? Chipotle garlic. Garlic chipotle.
Yeah. Chipotle garlic spread.
It is so good, you guys.
That's insane.
Both of these are from the farmer's market, so we're just having a little snack. Okay, so wrapped up with work. Pretty awesome at 6 p.m., so I feel pretty content with that. And Connor and I are more than 24 hours out from our second vaccine shot now, so I feel like
We might be in the clear.
yeah, and this whole video was really just meant to be me suffering and sharing that with you. I guess good news that I'm not suffering and that, the vaccine did not affect me negatively at all, but also less entertaining for you guys. And so I don't really know what's up for the rest of the night. We're gonna make some dinner. I probably won't vlog that much just because I already vlogged all day yesterday and this is all just sort of combining together, but
Maybe show you our dinner.
yeah, we'll definitely show you our dinner. And
Maybe show you our dinner.
also, you guys, RIP to my to-do list notebook. It is officially completely filled up. I used the last available page today. Hold on, where was it? There we go. That was today, and then this was some stuff from when Connor and I were looking at apartments, and I was using this notebook for that. So I'm such a hoarder, like I want to keep this, but I definitely should throw it out because I will never look at it again. And we're on to our new one. Guys, look at this yummy snack that I made. Snack number 2. I'm so excited. Put some of that like Bourguignon garlic and herb cheese on there, and then little cherry tomatoes on top. I'm so excited. I actually already had a bite of one, and
I had to remind
it hits the spot to vlog. I know, I'm sorry. Spring rolls are up for dinner tonight. We have everything sectioned out, evenly distributed. We have our ramen noodles over here. I love this meal so much.
Me too.
It's so good. We are done, and look at how amazing these look. And I wanted to give a special shout out to Connor's roll right here in the middle. This is probably the best one he has ever done. It looks so good. It looks so beautiful.
Right? Nicely.
It's like perfectly done. Honestly, like yours came out great this time.
Literally, you can tell when Jill gave a tip to and it was a game changer.
And those 3, actually 4.
We were
Yep.
talking technique.
Keep it compact. Makes a difference. So we are just about to dive into this, and I'm honestly gonna end the vlog here right after, but I thought we would do a taste test because I used to do taste tests every single vlog. I would make dinner and then I would do a taste test with you guys, and I have not done that in so long. So
And we're having one of our favorites. So
yeah,
it's a
and
good
we
time
eat so
for it.
much yummy food. Like we should be taste testing constantly. So we're gonna start right now.
Let's get a splash of wine.
I
just
like
to
it,
set
yeah.
the palate.
You know.
Wow, I love I did give you a thick pour.
I know. Look at this pour from Connor.
So
Delicious.
Good,
The Velvet Devil, little Merlot. So good. All right.
Let's dive into
Let's
it. All right,
do
I'm
it.
going for my worst one.
Me too. Yeah. So good.
What?
It's so good. And I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Connor and I are way more than 24 hours out from our second shot now, so not really expecting to get any symptoms. Knock on wood one more time, because we keep doing that every time we say it, just in case.
We're just pretty pumped.
Yeah, no, I'm so excited. Like, it's awesome that literally we both just had a tiny, tiny headache.
Yeah. Exactly.
And that's it.
So go get that Pfizer shot,
Go get that vaccine. Doesn't matter which.
but you should get the Pfizer one.
If you can, choose Pfizer. But it doesn't even matter. Just go get vaccinated. That is the point. We want our summer back, and we're relying on you.
That's
So
true.
go do it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Love you, and I'll see you in my next video.